Hello YouTube. Why? Oh, why this chip? This is ultrasonic distance measurement device. Why it cannot work on HC-32, but can work on Arduino? Simple reason. Not one, two reasons. First of all, I just soldered ground on this pin. It was not soldered on this board. I have very old transducer, I don't know, 30 years or more, 40 years, I don't know. I was young when first television had a remote with ultrasound. So it is 1.2 nanofarad for receiver, 1.2 nanofarad. Actually, let's measure. Receiver should to has, sorry my English, sorry, for abuse. Let me see, old one is to 1.25, 24. Low, why is low, relatively low capacitance in comparison with this one, which is 2.5. Low capacitance means that there is two capacitors in series, two plates, two piezoelectric plates, and a cone which is resonator, which resonates at 41 kilohertz. When incoming signal coming onto this resonator, two plates produce double voltage. Let's say, for example, let's imagine 0.1 volt one and 0.1 volts another. Sandwich, and you got 0.2 double sensitivity with this simple trick. But this is in old days. Now the problem is, if this is 2.4, this one is 2.36, and this one is 2.49, and both are removed from single board. This means that both are high capacitance, both are transmitter. Although there is R, letter R, it should to be receiver. No. For receiver should to be 1.2 nanofarad, no 2.5 or something, because there is single plate, and old one is two plates. So receiver, amplifier, there is, let me see, LM324 quad operation amplifier, op-amp for short. It has 4 stages for amplification. So you provide actually half of maximum receiver capability. Okay for transmitter, no problem, but receiver side is not used to the maximum. This is not main problem. Main problem, I soldered this to ground, and because this is actually audio amplifier, because 41 kilohertz, sorry, it is a little bit above audible, but it is audio, still audio. This is microphone for ultrasonic, and every noise, 50 hertz, 60 hertz, pulsed noise from your transmitter, pulsed noise from your receiver, if it has telemetry. Telemetry means that it receives signal for operating quadcopter and back signal of your voltage of battery current and whatsoever you want. So I noticed last time on HC-32 that it mess above signal, let's say half meter or 1 meter, is showing 1 meter, because interrupted false reading of 1 meter. Because of this partial solution is to solder this pin to ground. Now it is grounded, now it is shielded against interference, against noise. but because this is transmitter side, if you put on receiver, you will get something. Um, oh, sorry. There is something to add. Let me think. Why those people who built this device? Why put actually transmitter transmitter piezoelectric element instead? One transmitter, one receiver. It should be simple reason. Receiver should to have two plates, which means double price for this piezoelectric element. So transmitter side are actually cheaper, and the receiver side should be not double price, but because of mass production. And another things, I noticed that old device, old transducer has very small element inside. Uh, this is another reason I suspect that this is actually piezoelectric element for 25 kilohertz, not for 40, but with addition of just glue resonator, you'll get 41 kilohertz. Designation R. This is not proper designation. You know. Old one, there is first of all symbol of manufacturer, and there is this R40 40K2, whatever this means. So this means that is on the some number 363. I don't know what is that. This means that it has a long designation. So this R means nothing to me. It's not receiver. Just it is the same, exactly the same. Receiver and transmitter the same, both transmitting side. So some people say that it cannot work more than 2 meters. I tried. It can reach 4 meters. 4 meters, but big surface, pretty big surface. Not my body. I stand on ultrasonic radar on 2 meters, 2.5 meters, and no signal, no reflection. 2.2 meters, some reflection. So I will sweep to check whether it resonates on two frequencies, 41 because of resonator and 25 kilohertz because of size of piezoelectric element. And I will do it in next few days, because today is I had one crash, one motor booms and down with quadcopter. So again, thank you for watching, and please rate, subscribe, and share video so that other people knows what to do. This is cheap module and should works. Doesn't matter if cheap or not. Mass production with little bit of effort, it can work on HC-SR04 for measuring distance outside barometric pressure, which is HC-SR04 below 2 meters actually activate ultrasonic distance meter, so that quadcopter land it should be, because barometric pressure can change in the meanwhile when you're flying, and it can lie. Threshold is 2 meters, not only for HC-SR04, for other APM and other transducer, other controllers. But I think that there exists expensive, over $20, $30, $40. I don't know how much, even $100. Optics plus ultrasonic together. You know. Bye bye.